Hello everyone, I am Akanksha and welcome back to the channel TNB Academy. Today we are going to talk about something that sits at the heart of every AI system: data privacy and data security. As organizations increasingly rely on AI for decision making, automation, and innovation, the way data is collected, stored, and protected becomes more critical than ever. A single data breach or misuse of personal information can destroy trust, invite legal action, and damage an organization's reputation. This is where ISO 42001, the global standard for AI management systems, plays a crucial role. In this session, we will clearly understand how ISO 42001 helps organizations protect data, manage privacy risk, and build secure, trustworthy AI systems, all in simple and practical language. Now, first of all, understanding the data AI connection in ISO 42001. ISO 42001 clearly recognizes one truth: AI is only as safe as the data behind it. AI systems rely on personal data, sensitive business data, training data sets, real-time inputs, and historical records. Clause by clause, ISO 42001 demands that organizations understand what data their AI uses, where it comes from, who owns it, and how it flows across systems. Instead of treating privacy and security as IT-only issues, ISO 42001 brings them into AI governance, leadership responsibility, and risk management. The shift is critical because most AI failures today are not technical failures, they are data governance failures. Now, how ISO 42001 builds privacy by design into AI systems. One of the strongest contributions of ISO 42001 is that it pushes organizations to embed privacy by design and privacy by default into AI systems. This means privacy is not added later as a patch or policy. It is considered at the design stage itself. Organizations are expected to evaluate whether an AI system truly needs personal data, whether data can be anonymized, minimized, or aggregated, and whether the purpose of data use is clearly defined. Now, data security controls across the AI lifecycle. ISO 42001 looks at data security across the entire AI lifecycle, not just during deployment. From data collection and training to testing, deployment, monitoring, and even retirement of AI systems, the standard expects organizations to apply appropriate security controls. This includes access controls, encryption, secure data storage, controlled data sharing, and protection against unauthorized model access. The idea is simple but powerful. If data is compromised at any stage, the AI system itself becomes a risk. ISO 42001 ensures that data security is continuous, not a one-time setup. Now, managing data risk unique to AI systems. Traditional IT security focuses on systems and networks, but AI introduces new data risks such as data poisoning, model inversion, data leakage through outputs, and unintended interference of personal information. ISO 42001 addresses this by requiring organizations to identify AI-specific risk and implement controls accordingly. For example, organizations must assess whether AI outputs could reveal sensitive training data or whether external data sources used for AI are trustworthy. This proactive risk-based thinking makes ISO 42001 especially relevant in modern AI environments. Now, roles, responsibilities, and accountability for data. Another major strength of ISO 42001 is clarity of accountability. The standard requires organizations to clearly define who is responsible for data privacy and security in AI systems. This avoids the common problem where AI teams blame IT blames compliance, and compliance blames leadership. ISO 42001 pushes top management to take ownership and ensures that roles related to data governance, security, and privacy are clearly assigned, trained, and monitored. This human accountability layer is often what prevents real world data breaches. Now, continual monitoring, audits, and improvement. Data privacy and security are not static. New threats, new regulations, and new AI capabilities emerge constantly. ISO 42001 requires organizations to monitor AI systems continuously, review incidents, analyze near misses, and update controls accordingly. Internal audits, management reviews, and performance evaluations help measure that privacy and security measures are not just documented but actually working. This continual improvement mindset is what keeps AI systems trustworthy over time. So, to conclude this, we can say that ISO 42001 shows us that responsible AI starts with responsible data handling. Data privacy and security are no longer optional or limited to IT teams. They are core parts of AI governance, leadership accountability, and risk management. By following ISO 42001, organizations can move from reactive compliance to proactive trust building, ensuring their AI systems are secure, lawful, and ethically sound. Thank you for watching. This is Akanksha signing off. If you want to build AI systems that are not only powerful but also trusted by users, regulators, and society, ISO 42001 is the standard you need to understand and implement. Stay tuned for more insightful sessions on AI governance and international standards. Thanks for watching.